How to obtain the AWS Access Key and secret. First of all, let's log into the AWS Management Console. I already did the username and password, so I'm back in the main home of my console. You are probably familiar with this view because you can see all the AWS products and services. We just need to jump on the top right corner that showcase our account and select security credentials from the menu. Great, now a page is going to load and is going to show you all the security credentials. Obviously, I hidden mine for security. Just scroll down to Access Keys. In this section, you can define some access keys to interact with AWS API. Great, now we got an access key and a secret access key. We just need to save and keep it secret. This is the only way of communicating with our AWS API in between our account. So keep it safe, and we're gonna need for all the other interaction with the API. The most common way of using it is via an environmental variable in our environment. Now let's keep it safe for now and handy.